Hello dear students and welcome back. In today's video we'll learn about installing software, how we can remove software, how we can clean the system, update the system, and all these good stuff that we can do with the Linux terminal. And this is very important skill to learn. You need to learn how to install new software, different ways you can do that, and how you can update your system and how you can clean up your system. Very important stuff. So let's get started. Now, the way we can do that, we need a package manager, and a package manager basically is a software that enables us to manage software, like as simple as that. And in Kali Linux, we have the apt package manager. Now let's open the man pages and read about this for a little while here. It's very important. And you can see here, apt provides a high-level command line interface for the package management system. It is intended as an end user interface and enables some options better suited for interactive usage by default compared to more specialized apt tools like apt-get and apt-cache. Actually, a few years ago, the only option we have was apt-get, and apt-get is good. It's not bad actually, but apt is more advanced. It's the next level and it's better suited for Linux. Now, these are the options we can use with apt. We can use update to update the system, upgrade to upgrade the system. So let's learn what is the difference. Update is used to download package information from all configured sources. Other commands operate on this data to, for example, perform package upgrades or search in and display details about all packages available in the installation, while upgrade is used to install available upgrades of all packages currently installed on the system from the source configured via source.list. Now, I will not go into this. I recommend you Google this. It's very important topic, and it is very important thing. This is the reason why I'm not going into this. If you miss anything inside this, you will render your Linux unusable. So you need to be very, very careful. So since this is our first introduction to this subject, I will definitely not go into this, but recommend you read about it. But don't use it unless you 100% sure you know what you are doing. Actually, for me, once I started learning about Linux, I started with OpenShow, and OpenShow was very good Linux actually, and still is a very good Linux. But I tried to add some sources to this list, and sources basically, let me make this very simple. It's like Google Store. You have Google Store, Play Store, you have Amazon Store, you have all these different stores, you have Apple Store, and so on. Now, from these stores, you can download any application you want, right? And here it's like basically the same thing. It's like a store where there's code updates for the system, all are where lives, and from these sources you can update your system. But the thing is, since Linux have so many distros, so for different distros you will have different sources. So if you miss these and mix them together, that is very bad. Like the same as you cannot install an Apple application on an Android or Android application on iPhone, the same exactly is here. All right, let's keep moving. We can do full upgrade. We can now install, reinstall, remove, purge, and so on. And there are so many like auto remove, there's auto upgrade, there's search, also we can search, and we can view list and so on. So let's get out from here now, and let's see, let's update. And for that you need to be root to do that. So sudo apt update, and this is going to take some time depending on when the last time you updated your system and your internet speed, obviously. And as you can see here, it says get 1, get 2, get 3. These are the sources, all right. Not all of them, but some of these sources that is apps going to request for any update for your system. And as you can see, it's asking the Kali Linux source, all right. So if you mix and match and for some reason you add source for Ubuntu, you're gonna mess up and make your system effed up, like, you know what I'm talking about here. So this is gonna take a while, so let me pause and get back to you once it's finished. Hello guys, and welcome back. As you can see, it's finished. Now what I'm going to do is apt upgrade, all right, and we need to be sudo, and this shouldn't take so much time actually, but you can see here we have, after this operation, 332 megabytes of additional disk space will be used, because now it's going to install all the software it got and incorporate them into the system and do the actual update. So yes, hit enter, and hopefully this doesn't take long time here. So actually let me pause again and get back to you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. As you can see, it took about an hour or so, and the reason for that, it is like the first time I do this at all, so it will take some time in the first time you do this. Now we have upgraded the system. Let's clean it up, because downloading all these things will generate some files, and these will be stored on the system. So let's remove that. So we'll do apt auto remove. We need sudo, so sudo Kali, and as you can see, do you want to continue? Yes. And next I want to do is sudo apt auto clean. All right, and now we are done. So as such, we have cleaned the system, updated it, cleaned it, and it's up to date. The next thing I want to show you is how we can install and uninstall an application. So let me show you how first we can uninstall an application, then install it, because this application I already have it installed. So it's nmap, so it's this application. So let me clear everything, and here apt and install nmap. Uninstall is not valid. Not uninstalled, apt remove, and we need to be sudo. Yes, and as you can see, it takes about 500 megabytes, 600 megabytes, so it takes so much space, but that's fine. So for you, don't do this. You didn't have to do this. I'm just showing you how you can do this, so later on we can install any or remove anything we want. So now I want to install it back, so I will just say install. Now we are finished. Let me check it's installed properly. So unmap, and here it is, clear, and we are ready to go. Now here's my recommendation. After you uninstall and uninstall something, upgrading, always run sudo apt auto clean, and let's run them together. Apt auto remove, and we should have added sudo here. All right, could not get lock held by a process. Yeah, and the reason for that, because we are doing this at the same time. This file is being used by AutoClean, so you cannot at the same time use auto-remove, because auto-remove needs to use this too, so there's a clash between the two. So the thing what we need to do is run them one by one. So let's do something like that, this, and then this. All right, yep. And as you can see, we have now 1 gigabyte of disk space will be free, like here. So always do that to keep space and keep your Linux performance optimal. But basically that's it, guys. We are practically done here, so there's nothing more to do. I will see you in the next video.